Alright guys, in today's video of FlexiSTARTER, we're going to be looking at duplicating and deleting colors from the color swatch table. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos and we have daily updates. Otherwise, back in the program here. Now, when it comes to duplicating colors, we've briefly covered this before in our previous videos, but deleting will be new, or it should be. Otherwise, also just a reminder, this is a mini series on working with colors and swatch tables. So now let's just quickly take a look at duplicating. So the first way we can go about this, we can obviously just left click on a color in our color table and then keep your mouse in and then drag it to the new table you want to duplicate it to. That's one way we can go about it. Another way we can go about it is going to your actual fill and stroke panel, and then with the color selected we can do the same thing. Click with our left mouse button, drag it to the new color table, and then yeah, so then as you can see there, we've got some new colors there. Obviously we save it, then it will be on that table next time you open it. Let's say for some reason you did not want these colors there, you can always go on the color you don't want anymore. You right click it, and from the list we navigate to where we find delete. Click that and you'll see the color is no longer there. Now another way we can do that is from the color specs options. So add that little magnifying glass with a paint drop, we click that, and then under the first tab and then also the first drop down menu, we want to select our color table that we want to remove the colors from. So in my case it's going to be color table my own, and as you can see here, now we've got the three colors. Keep in mind the little X there is for a transparent color which you cannot delete, that's just by default. Now what you can do is, once you select the right color you want to remove, maybe remove white for now, and then at the bottom here you can see we have the option delete. So we click that, and now the white's no longer there, and then once you click OK, it will update it on your color swatch. And then just a reminder, right click your swatch, and then you can go save table if you like the changes. Otherwise, that is it on duplicating and deleting colors from the table, or the color swatch table. If we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover. And also you can isolate your search here on the top right. Just type in what you're looking for and hit the little magnifying glass button. If you however do not find what you're looking for, you can always go here, request a training video, then we will make that video for you. Otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.